Hey Brandon, good morning. I'm sorry for a little bit late answer regarding the solds, but we will figure out the best way how to show the solds as you want it with all the information and all of that stuff. So that might be a solution, and that solution is to add them manually, and this is how we would like to do. So when we go to your website, and in this backend, there's a manage MLS listings section where you can see all of your listings. As you can see, there's sold listings that the system pick up based on the MLS number you sent, which are still younger than 2 years. The other ones are archived, so the system cannot pull them out based on the MLS number. So we were thinking that maybe we can do it this way through this widget. It was called exclusive listing widget. So when you go here, there's going to be a sheet where you can add all these information that you have when it comes to to a sold list to a sold listings. Also, there's a status that you can add as it's sold and all of that stuff. It can be as anything you want. It could be the descriptions about that sold, and also all the photos can be added there as well. This part should be completed with our support team or by your end. And so I am proposing for us to launch the website live so the support can take your website and help you with this, and hopefully make this page as per your preferences. I hope this idea works for you. Please let me know and we will start from there. Thank you. Have a great one and looking forward for your feedback.